Welcome back, everyone. I'm meteorologist Josh Stone on this Thursday morning. So let's check out the rundown for our forecast. And clouds will be in our forecast all day, and also afternoon showers and some thunderstorms. But by tonight and into tomorrow, we're dealing with some very heavy rainfall. And then for Saturday, looks a lot better. We start to clear out the skies, but it's going to be just a tad cooler. Comfortable conditions today, not as warm as what we saw yesterday, but still pretty comfortable, mid to upper 70s and lower 80s if we're lucky for you here in Northport. But mostly cloudy skies will be upon us throughout the morning, and then showers and storms could take place in the afternoon due to the instability. Of course, the heating of the day will start to stir things up. Now, mostly cloudy skies are taking place throughout the entire state of Florida, and right now we're dealing with some pretty strong storms in the Panhandle and in northern Florida. The green colors show where the moisture is in the mid to upper levels of the atmosphere, and there's an abundant amount here throughout the southeast and over the Gulf of Mexico, and that's due to a cold front that's charging over the Gulf of Mexico, acting like a wedge, and it's lifting up all that moisture in front of it, and we are dealing with storms, along with the southeasterly flow and winds aloft coming in from a different direction. There's been very intense storms in the overnight hours through Arkansas, some tornadoes being reported here through Mississippi as well, and Alabama. Atlanta, if you're flying in that direction, there could be delays, but here in the Sun Coast, like you said, clouds throughout the morning, and then the showers and storms could get going in the afternoon, but tonight is the real problem because that's when the heavy rain starts to make its way in here. Now, the rain starts north of Tampa and around the Tampa Bay area just after 1 a.m. tomorrow morning, and then as we get through the morning commute hours, you can see where the bullseye is right here through the Sun Coast, and we're talking about anywhere from 2 to 3 to 4 inches of rain in some isolated areas, so it's going to be kind of a washout day for our Friday. But the good news is drier air settles in behind this system for the weekend, and we start to clear out those skies, though it will be just a little bit cooler. You can see the counterclockwise swirl here. Actually, pretty cool temperatures behind this system, and that's why the precipitation on the backside of the low is falling as sleet and snow, while in front of it, where the moisture is being brought up from the Gulf of Mexico, temperatures are warm. There's some pretty intense storms, and boy, it was pretty rough for the folks in Arkansas last night. So trough out here towards the west, 44 for high in Denver, while it will be 66 in Dallas today, 63 in Atlanta. They're dealing with the clouds, so a little bit cooler for them, and also the showers coming down. And here in the Sun Coast, a little warmer for us in the mid-70s, but like I said, we're going to be stuck in the clouds. Also, a pressure gradient setting up, and we will be calling for breezy conditions and maybe windy conditions at times, as those winds will pick up this afternoon, maybe gusting over 30 miles per hour. So really not the best boating day at all, because we're looking at seas at 4 to 6 feet and choppy conditions in the bays. So once again, 76 would be our high here in Sarasota. That's really where we should be. Our average is 77, but afternoon rain could make its way into the area. Foggy conditions in the overnight hours, and 67 degrees would be our low. For the outlook, we are going to see clear conditions for Saturday, Sunday, Monday, and Tuesday. And then Wednesday, another system comes our way to bring us more rain. Thanks for logging on to Herald-Tribune.com.